cook, bitch. And she fed me the food, not you.
We'll help you find it.
That's what I mean. I had to be dumb as fuck. Pandora today. Straight up in the cage with some bands or some motherfucking. Then I'm over here and these niggas can't choose, cause I'm got the hoe straight up on my D. Then I got all these different hoes straight up on the knees. See, I be rapping, then I be trapping. Got the bitches booty motherfucking clapping. Straight up on my D, straight up in my face. I'm over here and I don't smoke the weed that's laced. Oh shit, got the pineapple express. Then I'm over here, I just passed my math test. Got an A in fucking graphing. Got all these motherfuckers and they laughing. Laughing at the story that I just told. Then these motherfuckers out here acting bold. But I'm out here chilling in the snow. I'm about to go put him 6 feet under, bro. Oh shit, put him in the blunder. Then I got that man, put him in the slunder. That means I put him night-night. Then I got the bitch and she even wanna fight. So I hit her with a left, then a right. She a fucking dyke. She a dumb hoe. She's over here bleeding in the snow. Cause my dog attacked. I didn't do shit, can't you see? She was like, I'm coming after you. I'm about to hit you like you was a Jew. I was like, no bro, don't hit me once. Cause I'm over here and I'm saying nasty puns. Calling her a dirty ass tramp. I'm about to give a curb stomp to the ramp. Straight up on the dome. I'm about to blast her head with some fucking chrome. Got an AK-47 fucking spraying. Then I got these motherfuckers always fucking saying that they rappers, but they really ain't shit. Cause they over there, they just tryna fuck some bitch. That bro, I can't go loud. I don't wanna yell, dog. It's just, okay. It just don't sound right, you know what I mean? I can't do it.
Alright,
Nope, I can't go now. You messed up my flow with that, Carlos. How you gonna mess up another brother's flow?
With that Joe, ho.
And you know, I'm about to be slinging the drought.
Science and more. CT.
Got Country Chris up on the mic. Well, today out here we got heavy snow up in Colorado. Heavy snow. It says fuck you, America. The clouds are just taking a shit on us. This is from your president, George W. Bush.